Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best handheld vacuums. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Roborock Dyad Wireless Vacuum Cleaner. Specifications. Brand name, Easy Hay. Power, W, 500 watts. Voltage, V, 100 to 240 volts. Filter type, HEPA. Motor speed, 73,000 revolutions per minute. Rated power, 260 W. Battery life, 35 minutes. Charging time, 4 hours. Clean water tank, 850 milliliters. Number 4 on our list is Roidmi Nex VX Wireless Vacuum Cleaner. Specifications. Brand name, Easy Hay. Voltage, V, 220 volts. Remote control, no. Bag or bagless, bagless. Battery life, 2 hours. Cord length, M, wireless. Line length, wireless. Power, 435 watts. Endurance time, 120 minutes. Number 3 on our list is Dreame V12 Pro Wireless Vacuum Cleaner. Specifications. Brand name, Hyunma. Power, W, 500 to 999 watts. Voltage, V, 100 to 240 volts. Dust box capacity, L, half a liter. Installation, handheld. Rated voltage, 25.2 volts. Battery capacity, 2700 mAh. Machine weight, 1.65 kilograms. Charging time, about 4 hours. Number 2 on our list is Smart Home 32 kPa. Specifications. Brand name, Easy Hay. Power, W, 500 to 999 watts. Voltage, V, 100 to 240 volts. Bag or bagless, bagless. Installation, handheld. Cord length, M, wireless. Model number, Dreame V12 Pro. Rated power, 650 watts. Battery capacity, 2700 mAh. Machine weight, 1.65 kilograms. Number 1 on our list is PrettyCare W300 Handheld Vacuum Cleaners. Specifications. Brand name, PrettyCare. Power, W, 200W. Voltage, V, 25V. Dust box capacity, L, 1 to 2 liters. Bag or bagless, bagless. Battery life, 40 minutes. Size M, 300 by 300 by 75. Cord length, M, wireless.